Greetings, students. If you find yourself navigating the expansive realm of academia with a sense of confusion and overwhelm, take solace in the fact that you're not alone. Many students grapple with uncertainties and hesitations as they progress through their educational endeavors. I am constantly falling behind. How can I manage my time effectively? Managing time is a consistent hurdle for students, yet employing a few straightforward strategies can shift the balance in your favor. A. Prioritize tasks. Recognize the most crucial tasks and address them as a priority. B. Establish a schedule. Allocate dedicated time periods for studying, assignments, and recreational activities. C. Break it down. Fragment sizable tasks into more manageable segments to prevent feeling overwhelmed. D. Reduce distractions. Keep your phone out of reach, restrict social media usage, and cultivate an environment conducive to focused studying. I get anxious before exams. How can I overcome this? Dealing with exam anxiety may seem daunting, but effective strategies can help you overcome it. A. Comprehensive preparation. Initiate early studying. Devise a structured study plan, and engage in regular revision. B. Self-care practices. Prioritize sufficient sleep, regular exercise, and healthy eating to maintain optimal mental and physical well-being. C. Deep breathing techniques. Incorporate deep breathing exercises to alleviate nervousness before and during exams. D. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that bolster your confidence and mindset. I feel unmotivated. How can I stay inspired to study? Sustaining motivation may pose a challenge, yet the following tips can serve as inspiration. A. Goal setting. Define both short-term and long-term goals to maintain focus on your objectives. B. Identify your passion. Associate your studies with something you're passionate about to rekindle your interest. C. Embrace variety. Introduce diversity into your study routine by experimenting with different techniques or exploring new study environments. D. Engage support. Participate in study groups or enlist an accountability partner to foster mutual motivation. I'm not sure if my chosen field of study is right for me. What should I do? Questioning your chosen field of study is a common occurrence, but here are steps you can take. A. Research. Delve deeper into your field, exploring related career paths to attain a clearer understanding. B. Seek guidance. Consult with professors, professionals, or career counselors for valuable advice. C. Explore internships or volunteering. Acquire hands-on experience in your field of interest to assess its suitability. D. Remain open-minded. Acknowledge that it's acceptable to alter your path if you uncover new passions along the way. I struggle with understanding complex concepts. How can I improve my comprehension? A. Divide and conquer. Begin by understanding the fundamental elements before delving into the complexities. B. Visual tools. Employ diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps to simplify intricate ideas. C. Share knowledge. Reinforce your understanding by teaching concepts to others. D. Ask for assistance. Feel free to reach out to professors, teaching assistants, or peers for clarification. I'm afraid of public speaking. How can I overcome this fear? Public speaking can induce nervousness, yet with consistent practice, you can overcome your fears. A. Begin modestly. Initiate by addressing a small group or within a supportive environment. B. Thorough preparation. Rehearse your speech or presentation multiple times to enhance your confidence. C. Envision success. Boost your self-assurance by visualizing yourself delivering a successful speech. D. Participate in a club. Contemplate joining a public speaking club or enrolling in a course to refine your skills. I'm overwhelmed by the amount of coursework. How can I handle the workload? Balancing coursework can pose challenges, but the following tips will aid you in handling the workload. A. Strategic planning. Divide assignments into smaller tasks and establish a schedule. B. Delegate and collaborate. Whenever feasible, share the workload with classmates or form study groups. C. Steer clear of procrastination. Initiate work on assignments early to sidestep last-minute stress. D. Incorporate breaks. Allocate short breaks during study sessions to prevent burnout. I'm not sure how to take effective notes. What's the best approach? Creating effective notes is essential for understanding and revision. A. Engage in active listening. Concentrate on key concepts and examples during lectures. B. Employ systematic organization. Structure your notes with headings, subheadings, and bullet points. C. Periodically review and revise. Condense and revisit your notes regularly to strengthen your understanding. D. Explore various techniques. Experiment with different note-taking methods, like the Cornell method or mind mapping, to determine the most effective approach for you. I'm worried about maintaining a work-life balance. How can I find harmony? Maintaining a work-life balance is crucial for overall well-being. A. Emphasize self-care. Allocate time for hobbies, relaxation, and quality moments with loved ones. B. Set boundaries. Clearly define the lines between study time and personal time. C. Practice saying no. Avoid overwhelming yourself with commitments that may jeopardize your well-being. D. Take breaks. Allow yourself periodic respites and vacations to recharge. I feel overwhelmed by the pressure to succeed. How can I manage expectations? Navigating mental health requires effective management of expectations. A. Embrace imperfection. Acknowledge that making mistakes is part of the learning process. B. Celebrate achievements. Take time to recognize and value your progress and small victories. C. Seek support. Establish a positive support network with friends, family, and mentors. D. Prioritize growth. Redirect your focus from mere outcomes to personal growth and continuous improvement. Kudos, students, on overcoming your academic uncertainties. Always remember, you're not alone on this educational journey. Doubts are a common aspect of learning, yet with perseverance and effective strategies, you can triumph over any challenge. Keep your motivation high, reach out for support when necessary, and have confidence in your abilities.